meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, in this very broad belt of strong jet stream winds up in the atmosphere, right on the periphery of a big heat wave down here in the southern plains and the southern U.S., we've got these clusters of severe storms pivoting around that heat wave. And we've got 3 areas of severe weather this afternoon from the Midwest into the eastern U.S. But thankfully, we've had a lot of cloud cover today. We call this convective debris. All this is leftover cloud cover from all the storms that we had in Illinois, parts of southern Indiana and Missouri, as well as Iowa last night. Still some storms, though, up here in Wisconsin and Michigan. A few of these will hold together and pass through during the overnight hours for us. And also, we've got our own scattered showers and storms here locally, the heaviest of which are from Indianapolis down towards Terre Haute. But again, if you're moving from or driving from Indianapolis up to Lafayette this evening, some scattered showers and storms, a little bit of rain east of Lafayette, moving into southern Carroll, parts of Clinton County, and some storms here moving off to the southeastern parts of Tipton County right now. So again, we're going to keep at least some scattered showers and storms in the forecast for the evening and overnight hours. Current temps, though, where it's raining, it's in the 70s. Where it's not raining, temps are low to mid-80s area-wide. It's pretty humid out there as well. Overnight lows around 70 for the overnight hours. FUTURECAST doesn't bring a single shower in this evening nor tomorrow. Not even tomorrow night, but I find that very, very hard to believe. Models have a very, very hard time in a weather situation when you've got clusters and clusters of storms, because the storms will form where the sun is out, there's some sort of subtle boundary that pops them, and where it's the most unstable. And that's a pretty localized environment. So models having a tough time, so we'll keep some scattered showers and storms in the forecast for tonight, some patchy fog late, and even for tomorrow, going to keep storms in the forecast. This is going to be the belt from tomorrow right through Saturday, right on the edge of this big heat wave down to the south. Clusters of storms will pivot around the edge. Some of these are going to be north of us, some south, and some of these may affect the heart of our viewing area. It's just all dependent on where boundaries set up and where the sun and instability and heating are the strongest. So we're going to keep storm chances going right through Saturday, but by Saturday evening, a cold front will move through, and that's going to shut off the storms, at least for a while as we get into next week. So some scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening and tonight, then some patchy fog late will drop to 70. Showers and storms still possible tomorrow. The main area I'm going to look at is parts of Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri. And if a line of storms can get going, it could produce severe weather, but the exact track is still in question. 89 for the high will keep the storm chances going right through Saturday, and severe weather threat will be in place, getting quite hot by Friday and Saturday. 95 for the high, and then a little calmer next week and a little less humid. Highs upper 80s Sunday through Tuesday.
And it looks like we'll get a little bit of a cool down there at the end.
Yeah, it'll feel a little bit better. Not quite so humid early next week.
That will be
help.
nice.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Yeah. Matt Wetterstern has